for one too early for an event. Hi
Hey
guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today's video we're gonna get ready with me.
We're going to the Caribbean Natural Hair Show at the Pegasus Hotel. So now, yeah, we're just like a rush to get ready because we need to get ready in 30 minutes. See ya! Dana still taking forever to do her hair. And don't mind the mess in the room. This is it. It's so moving. Dana still doing her hair. Oh God. I thought I try to focus the camera on this girl, she gets We're ready, auntie, we're ready. We just are using time to find other things for the but we're ready.
Here's the picture.
You put the things in the order or you did put it the last time? No? Girl, my cut off the ear. My cut off some of the ear. Them too straight, turn on. Me not chop off all the ear then I turn on. That's not the foolishness. If you see how much I cut, a little bit more cut. We're almost ready. Alright guys, I think we're finished now. I know we're about to leave out. Bye!
Sorry. With everything.
Hopefully, my space not done. I'm camera.